Morse Code. I look out of the kitchen window, sitting next to the paperwhites about to bloom and the basil plant still recovering from our Italian food a few nights before. Together, we watch our neighbors in the long-term care home next door. Every morning while the kettle boils, I watch staff and visitors make their way inside. I watch a man with a snowblower clear the walkways and try not to cover a van with the cascade of white powder. They have paper snowflakes and hearts hung in the windows. I debate if my grandmother would mind me doing the same. I am searching for a way to say, "Thank you, wonderful strangers, for making me feel less alone." Would my message reach them? I notice their windows are also lined with pots, wondering if they, the plants, know they have friends 9 stories above them. The plants in my window see the plants in your window. The light in me sees the light in you.